everyone, my name is Shriyan Sahu. Today we are going to do a mind-blowing experiment. So let's get started. The experiment name is the disappearing viruses. So the materials you need for this experiment are a Ziploc bag with a hand picture on it, a cardboard sheet with a hand picture and a lot of viruses on it, and a bowl full of water. Now let's do the experiment. First, take the Ziploc bag and open it, and then put the picture into it like this. So, as you can see, the picture is inside the Ziploc bag. Now I'm going to put the picture into the bowl of water like this. Now, as you can see, the hand is clean and there are no viruses on it. Magic! Now I'll remove the picture from the water. This water illusion happens because of the law of refraction. My message to all of the people here: during this pandemic, we should wash our hands with soap and water. Thank you.